Select the terrain's origin point. View its origin point elevation value on the survey. Unlock the point in the survey and define a new elevation value. Define or modify the elevation value even in the 3D environment. View the terrain's origin point with respect to the building's zero plane as defined in the Levels Management. Modify the terrain's elevation value and see it updated in Levels Management. Define the unit of measurement for contour lines and topographic contour plans, the font type and whether it should be visible. Define the type of font for point labels and whether it should be visible. Assign a material.